Dear students, greetings to Gate Conquerors, greetings to Unacademy. So as you are all aware that Unacademy has launched a 7-day free trial that is going to basically end very soon. But what is very important is with this particular video, I would like to tell all of you that given a chance, you all should most certainly try it out. The links will be available on YouTube. There is a very simple procedure. You scan the QR code, then you proceed to unlocking the initiative, which is a 7-day free trial for the Plus course, whatever is there. You can also use my code to unlock. There will be a code that will be required from your end that you will actually have to put there. You can use my code AKK10, okay, AKK10, to basically unlock the 7-day free trial, and you can use it. The reason why I highly recommend all of you to try this out is most certainly we are going to take free classes on YouTube. All of that is true, but in YouTube, we do not get sufficient time. The process is more exhilarated. The way in which we are delivering the content is also more exhilarated. Whereas in Plus, we get a lot of, we get a chance to give more individual attention. So you will see a higher quality of teaching or more detail. Of course, quality is always good everywhere through Unacademy or even through Gate Conquerors. But nonetheless, you will get a better chance at getting to know your educator, plus you get more educators also that you can interact with. So I highly recommend you do that. So to give you the ideas, links will be present. In addition to that, from where to use the QR code, even that will be available to all of you. You can use my code wherever necessary, AKK10. Then even in the future, if you want to continue with the subscription, you can also do that. That time, if you want to purchase the subscription, you get 10% off. If you use my code AKK10, you can continue your preparation. All right. So I would like to wish all the aspirants all the best for their exams. Do use the 7-day free initiative. I am very sure it will be very helpful to all of you. And please let me know how your experience is. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much.